16 cot A is equal to 12. 4, 4, 4 3 times. Cot A equal to 3 by 4. Cot A means cos A by sin A, that equal to 3 by 4. Cos A equal to 3, sin A equal to 4, and substitute these values, we will get the answer. We have to find out sin A plus cos A, sin A minus cos A, that equal to 4 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 3, that equal to 7 divided by 1. Answer 7. Question number 2. The speed of A, B is in the ratio 4:5. If A takes 20 minutes more than B to reach the destination, so distance constant, time will be inverse. So the difference is 20 minutes. Then find the time taken by A to reach the destination. So if 1 is 20, then 5 is equal to 5 into 20, that is 100 minutes. The given answer is in hours. So convert it into hours. 100 by 60, 0, 0 cancel. 2 5s are 2 3s are. So 5 by 3 hours. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 5x plus k. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So they have given that alpha minus beta is equal to 1. We have to find the value of k. So here a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to k. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. Product is equal to c by a. Minus b by a means minus of minus 5, a equal to 1. So minus minus cancel, it will be 5. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. C is k, a equal to 1. So this is equation 1, and alpha plus beta, this is equation 2. So alpha minus beta equal to 1, alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Beta beta cancel, 2 alpha equal to 6, alpha equal to 3. So we know that alpha equal to 3. Substitute this value in equation 1. So 3 minus beta equal to 1, beta equal to 3 minus 1. So beta equal to 2. We have to find the value of k. K equal to alpha into beta, that is 3 into 2. Answer is 6. 370 students appeared for an examination, of which 352 passed. So 352 passed out of 370. We have to find the pass percentage. So 352, 37. 37 nines are 333. 190. 5 times 5 30s are 150. 5 3s are 35. That is total 185. Balance 5. So approx 95 percentage. From the given options, the number that will completely divide 3 power 61 plus 3 power 62 plus 3 power 63 plus 3 power 64. I am taking 3 power 60 as common. So it will be 3 square plus 3 cube plus 3 power 4. 3 power 60, 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81. 3 power 60 into 3 plus 27, 30. 9 plus 81, 90. 30 plus 90, 120. So in the given options, 120 can be divided by only 30. So 30 is the right answer. If 154 divided by 0.154, that equal to 15.4 divided by x. So this will be divided 10 times. Cross multiplication, x equal to 0.154 divided by 10. So x equal to 0.0154. Find the missing value of p for the following distribution whose mean is 12.58. So x power I, 5, 8, 10, 12, p 20, 25, 2, 5, 8, 22, 7, 4, 2. So product will be 10, 40, 80, 12 into 22, 264, 7 into P, 7P, 20 into 4, 80, 25 into 2, 50. So total 50. So this total will be 524 plus 7P. So we know the mean value 524 plus 7P divided by 50 is equal to mean. So 524 plus 7P is equal to 50 into 12.58. 12.58 into 50. 0, 5 are 40, 25, 29, 10, 12, 5 ones are 5, 6, 2 times. So 524 plus 7P is equal to 629. 7P is equal to 105. 15 times. So P equal to 15. The dimensions of a metallic cuboid are 50 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 32 centimeter. This cuboid is melted and recast into a cube. So the volume will be same only. Volume of cuboid formula L into B into H. So 50 into 40 into 32. Volume of a cube formula A cube. So A cube equal to 50 can be written as 10 into 5. 40 can be written as 10 into 4. 32 can be written as 4 into 4 into 2. So arrange these in triplets. So 5 2 it will become 10. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 4 into 4 into 4 A cube. So these three will become 1. So A equal to 10 into 4 40 centimeter. So now we have to find the surface area. Surface area formula 6A square. 6 into 40 into 40. That equal to 6 into 1600, 9600 centimeter square. Mahesh sold 3/4 of his stock at a gain of 20% and the remaining stock at a gain of 15%. So I'm assuming Mahesh has 100. So 3/4 means 75. He sold it for plus 20%. Plus 20% means 15. So he sold it for 90. Remaining stock at a gain of remaining stock 25. Gain 10% means 2.5. 5% means 1.25. So total 28.75. Find the total gain percentage. So here gain is 15. Here gain is 3.75. So total gain equal to 18.75%. So they have given that we have to find it in approximate value. 18.75 is not given. So the nearest value is 19%. Find the mean of the following. So xi, f1, xi, f5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 8, 14, 11, 3. 5 4s are 20, 6 8s are 48, 7 14s are 98, 8 11s are 88. So this is 27. The total is 281. Here the total is 40. Mean is nothing but 281 divided by 40. 47s are 280. So remaining 1 divided by 40 means 0.025. So the answer is 7.025. Find the value of k such that the equations 2x plus 3y plus 11 equal to 0, 6x plus ky plus 33 equal to 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 11. A2 equal to 6, B2 equal to K, C2 equal to 33. So these both represents coincident lines. So coincident lines means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So we have to find K. So we have to take this compulsorily. I am taking A1 by A2. So A1 means 2 divided by A2 means 6. That equal to B1 by B2 is K. 3 times cross multiplication. 1 into K, 3 into 3, 9, K equal to 9. 70 is subtracted from 2/3 of a number. I am assuming the number as A. So 2/3 A minus 70. Then the result is equal to a sum of 30 and 1/4 of that number. 2 by 3A minus 1 by 4A is equal to 30 plus 70. Cross multiplication. 8A minus 3A divided by 12 equal to 100. So this is 5A equal to 100 into 12. 20 times A equal to 20 into 12. So that is 240. A number when divided by 5 leaves a remainder 3. So 5 plus 3, the number will be 8. When the square of the same number is divided by 5. So 8 square is equal to 64 divided by 5. So 5 12s are 60, remainder 4. If a student multiplied a number by 3 by 4 instead of 4 by 3. Since the denominator are 4, 3, I am assuming the number 12. 12 into 3 by 4, 12 into 4 by 3, 4 3s are 3 4s are. So this is correct number. So this is the error number. So 16 minus 9, so that is the wrong number divided by 16. So 7 by 16. Now we have to find the percentage. 16 4s are 64, balance 60. 16 3s are 48, 120. 7 times 112, balance 8. So 43.7%, approximately 44%. Calculate the least number that is exactly divisible by 12, 16, 24 and 32. So the given options are 84, 102, 96, 90. So these numbers should be divisible by them. So the factors are 2, 3, 4, 8. So I am taking 8. 84 is not divisible by 8. So this is wrong answer. 90 is not divisible by 8. So this is wrong answer. 102 is not divisible by 8. So this is also wrong answer. 8 12s are 96. So this is the only one divisible by 8. Sum of two numbers, I am assuming it as A, B. So sum of two numbers 17. Sum of their squares. So A square plus B square equal to 145. So A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. A plus B whole square means 17 square. A square plus B square equal to 145 plus 2AB. So 2AB equal to 17 square means 289 minus 145. AB equal to the difference 144 divided by 2, 72. AB equal to 72. So now A minus B whole square, that equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. So we know the A square plus B square 145. 2AB means 2 into 72, that is 144, equal to 1. So A minus B is equal to 1 only. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So A plus B equal to 17. A minus B equal to 1. Minus B plus B cancel. 2a equal to 18, a equal to 9. So we know a equal to 9. Substitute here. So 9 minus b equal to 1, b equal to 9 minus 1, b equal to 8. So a comma b equal to 8 and 9. If a equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 and b equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1, we have to find the value of a square plus b square minus 4. So do componendo and dividendo. It can be simplified. Root 3 plus 1 whole square. So a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2 into ab divided by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Same goes for here also. Root 3 whole square, 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. Take 2 as common, it will be 2 plus root 3 into 2 divided by 2, 2 cancel. So it will be 2 plus root 3. Same here also, so it will be 2 minus root 3. We know a value and b value. So a plus b equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Root 3 cancel. A plus b equal to 4. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square means 4 square. A square plus b square we don't know. So a square plus b square. 2 into ab means 2 into these values. So it will become 1 only. So a square plus b square equal to 16 minus 2, that is 14. A square plus b square minus 4 equal to, substitute these values, 14 minus 4, 10 is the answer. A company offers 5% discount on cash purchase. How much would Darshan pay in cash for a bike purchased from the company if the market price is 75,200? So minus 5%. 752 into 5, 10, 25, 26, 35, 37. So minus 3,760. This will be 71,440. Find the smallest number which 720 should be multiplied so that the product become a perfect square. So I am taking with the first option 720 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 twos are 10. 35 plus 136. So 3600 square root that equal to 60. So first option is the correct one. How long will it take a sum of money invested at 6% per annum to become 50%? So 6 into 8, 48. Remaining 6 into 1 by 3, 2. So the answer is 8 plus 1 by 3, 8 1 by 3 years. A bridge built across a river with an angle of 45 degree. The river bank as shown in the figure, if the length of the bridge is 150 meter, this is A, B, C. Then what is the width of the river? So we have to find this. If this is 45 degree, this is a right angle triangle, 90 degree, balance it will be 45 degree. So I am taking this angle, sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 45 formula, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this will be A. So A by 150. A equal to 150 divided by root 2. So that is 75 root 2. So this will be also A only. Since the angles are same, sides will be also similar. Even if you do formula, the answer will be same only. Even if you take this is sin theta perpendicular by hypotenuse, we will get the same answer. So the width of the river is 75 root 2. Calculate the least whole number which when subtracted from both the terms of ratio 5:6. So I'm assuming the least whole number as a. So 5 minus a divided by 6 minus a will be less than 17 divided by 22. Cross multiplication, 110 minus 22a less than 6 into 17, 60 plus 42, 102 minus 17a. So 8 minus 5a less than 0. So 8 less than 5a. So 8 by 5 less than a. 8 by 5 means 1.6. 1.6 is less than a. So a equal to, as it is the nearest number. This can be also written as a greater than 1.6. We have to find the least whole number. A greater than 1.6, then the next number is 2. So 2 is the least whole number. Find the value of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 5 plus 1 by 4 into 5 into 6. So 1 by 4 is common. 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 into 6, 30. So LCM 30, 30 plus 6 plus 1. 1 by 4 into 37 divided by 30. So 37 divided by 120. We have to find the point value. So 37, 12, 30 times. So 360. Remaining 10, 0, 8 times. So 96, balance 4. So 308, which is nothing but 0.308. So there is no value nearest here. So I am taking 0.31. Find the volume of the largest sphere that can be carved out of a cube of side 21 centimeter. So this is the cube and this is the sphere. Side is 21. Radius will be 21 divided by 2. So largest sphere means formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that means 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 21 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 11 times 7 into 3 21. So 11 into 21 square 441. So 441, 441. 4851 is the answer. A bus covers distance of 5 km in 20 minutes. So convert it into hours. So 0 3 times. So that equal to 5 into 3, 15 km per hour. Speed equal to distance by time formula. Then find the time taken by the bus to cover the same distance if the speed is decreased by 3 km. So minus 3 km per hour, it will be 12 km per hour. Distance will be same. So distance is 5 divided by 12. So this is in hour. We have to convert it into minutes. So divided by 60. 12 5s are 5 into 5, 25 minutes. Rajesh can finish a task in 4 days. Mahesh can finish the same task in 3 days. If both of them finish together and get paid 350 in total, we have to find the share of Rajesh. So LCM 12. Rajesh can do 3 works per day. Mahesh can do 4 works per day. So Rajesh share is 350 into 3 divided by 7. 750 times 50 into 3, 150. HCF of 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 8 by 15 and 10 by 21 is. Formula is equal to HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. So HCF of numerator is 2 Denominator LCM 3, 9, 15, 21. So 3 table 3 ones are 3s are 5s are 7 times. So 3 into 5 15, 15 into 7 105, 105 into 3 315. So divided by 315. 2 by 315 is the answer. X equal to R sin A cos C, Y equal to R sin A sin C, Z equal to R cos A. We have to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. So x square means R square sin square A cos square C plus y square means R square sin square A sin square C plus z square means R square cos square A. So I am going to take R square sin square A as common. So it will become cos square C plus sin square C plus R square cos square A. So this will become 1. 1 into anything same. So R square sin square A plus R square cos square A. Take R square common. So it will become sin square A plus cos square A. So this will become 1. R square into 1. R square is the answer. So in the triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. This is DE and this is BC. AD is 3, DB is 5. AC is equal to 5.6. So this will be also in the ratio 3 is to 5. 5.6 into, we have to find A ratio is 3, total 8. 8 into 0.7. So 0.7 into 3, 2.1. So it will be 2.1 and this will be 3.5. Total 5.6. Calculate the compound interest on a sum of 12,000, 16% per annum for 3 months, compounded quarterly. Compounded quarterly means for 3 months only. So 3 by 12. Zeros cancel. 12 10 times. That equal to 10 into 16, 160. 160 into 3, 480. 480 rupees is the answer. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section.